This is the new G0406 7.5 horsepower Baghouse Dust Collector. It's a big powerhouse for big shops. The G0406 is driven by this 7.5 horsepower totally enclosed fan-cooled motor for no downtime and a high return on investment. This motor pulls 5,000 cubic feet of air per minute. And it all gets filtered through these 36 high-efficiency bags. These bags grab the dust with 99% efficiency down to 0.2 microns. It all collects down into these 3 77-gallon receptacles. That's 231 gallons overall, and the casters help you move them around with ease for little downtime. A built-in buzzer will let you know when the receptacles are full, and the system will turn off to prevent overflow. You can roll the bins out and replace them when they're empty and you're back up and running. And when it comes time to take care of the bags themselves, there's a bag shaker that knocks all the dust straight into the receptacles. For more information on the G0406 Baghouse Dust Collector, come to grizzly.com. Put G0406 in the search, and you'll get all the information about this powerhouse dust collector.